Hello friends, in this video let us see about single process shared variable. We use single process shared variable to transfer data between two different locations on the same VI that cannot be connected by wires such as parallel loops on the same VI, or to transfer data between two different VIs within the same application instance. This single process shared variable can be used like local variable or global variable, and while connecting it to the network we can use it as network published shared variable. First, on the front panel I am placing a gauge to give input, and to the output terminal of this gauge I am connecting a numeric indicator, and then I am renaming this gauge as temperature. So using this gauge we are going to give temperature inputs to the numeric indicator. Next we have to place this gauge and numeric indicator inside a while loop. So from structures I am choosing a while loop and placing it on the block diagram screen around this gauge and the numeric indicator. Then on the front panel I am placing a boolean push button, and this boolean push button has also got placed on the block diagram screen inside this while loop. On this block diagram screen, to this boolean push button I am connecting an indicator. So a boolean indicator has got connected. Then in this project, from shared variable library which we have already created in our last video, I am choosing a numeric shared variable and dragging and placing it inside the while loop. I am changing its access mode to write mode by doing a right click on it, and here under access mode I am choosing write. Then I am connecting the gauge to this numeric shared variable, and again from the shared variable library I am choosing a boolean shared variable and placing it on the block diagram screen inside this while loop nearer to the boolean indicator. Then I am connecting the boolean push button to the shared variable. I am also connecting this boolean push button to the stop button of this while loop to give stop condition. Then I am placing another while loop parallel to this existing while loop. So we are going to share the data to this new while loop. So I am dragging and placing a boolean shared variable from shared variable library inside this new while loop, and I am connecting it to the stop button of this while loop. And also I am choosing a numeric shared variable and placing it inside this while loop, and I am connecting an indicator to it. So a numeric indicator has got connected, and this indicator has also got placed on the front panel. Then we shall run this program. I am running this VI, and now if I change the temperature reading in the gauge, the value in both the indicators placed inside both the loops will also change. And we can see same values in both the indicator, so that we can know that the numeric value from the first while loop gets transferred to the second while loop. And on the front panel, if I click on the boolean push button, the boolean indicator will get on, but both the loops stop executing because the stop button of both the while loop receives signal, and so the VI execution will get stopped, and so we can note the transfer of boolean data. While using single process shared variable in LabVIEW real time, we have to enable RTFAFO. This will help us to avoid data losses. So in this shared variable project, under shared variable library, I am doing a right click on this numeric shared variable and clicking on properties, and so shared variable properties dialog box will open. In this box on the left side, I am clicking on RTFAFO and enabling RTFAFO by clicking on enable RTFAFO checkbox. And after enabling RTFAFO, we can note the changes in the numeric shared variable icon. And similarly, I am enabling RTFAFO property of boolean shared variable also. So I am doing a right click on this boolean shared variable, and I am clicking on properties, and so the same shared variable dialog box will open. Here I am enabling RTFAFO property as I did for numeric shared variable. And so the icon of boolean shared variable has also got changed. But for string shared variable we cannot enable RTFAFO property. And now Again I am running this VI and we are receiving the same output as before. So in this video we have seen about single process share variable. In our next video we can continue with next topic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support. Thank you.